airport. It had been 2 months since we had been to a grocery store, so it was time to leave the Dry Tortugas and head to Key West.
Key West. Actual civilization.
America!
Grocery trip! All that's out there. This is civilization. After a jungle cruise, we have to go to the grocery store. And that's up there. Yeah, hang and swing. Groceries!
Did you get by us or no?
In the United States! Oh
No.
man, it's so funny. A crab?
Yes.
Coronavirus dingy dog. Justin, we're back in the US!
Right?
So weird. Oh my gosh. Hey Justin, you know what I was thinking? How this little estuary behind a grocery store is our entrance back to the US. I think our exit out of the US was through a fence
Through a
that
fence?
said no trespassing.
True. Hey, do you want to get on right now? Since I'm walking back
Oh yeah.
to moderate our alcohol purchase.
Okay, so we haven't been to the grocery store in 2 months, and we haven't been to the United States in
2 years.
2 years. And we just here's our friends over here getting out of our little spot that we just dinghied over to. Say hi, guys. And we went to the back of a Winn-Dixie parking lot through these mangroves, so we can't get in any other way. And we have all of these. Say hi.
Hi.
All these groceries, and it's like we can't even sit in here. The kids are with some friends on an awesome yacht who they're amazing and we love them, and they took our kids and fed them lunch, and yeah, now we're in Key West, and we can't get them.
I got mine. You're right.
Marline's got a bottle from his life jacket. So yeah, this is where we are, and we spent what, $940 on groceries, but we haven't been to a grocery store since the end of February.
And I think about like $100 in rum.
So this will probably last us until we make it to Salem, Massachusetts. There's a lot of groceries.
We bought way more snacks this time. Last time I don't think we bought enough snacks of chips and crackers and all those little things like that. So this time we are stocked up. We had one whole grocery cart of snacks.
Yeah, we did. We had a lot of chips and stuff. The kids are like, we don't have anything to eat.
And then we put the fresh veggies on top of the chips because, you know, those don't take priority.
Anyway, we're back in the US, and we have cell phone service again, and we have groceries again, and that is all pretty exciting. We were really worried that this storm was going to be as bad as the last one in the Dry Tortugas, where we hit 68 knots. Luckily, it wasn't that big a deal. It was just a whole lot of rain. Key West Ghost Town. There's a car. Since everything was closed in Key West, it was a good thing we had our own little pandemic crew, and we spent a lot of time hanging out on our friend's boat Hinano and watching the tourist boats go by.
Oh, get ready to be boarded!
What did he say?
Man your station!
The entertainment out here was pretty good. The next day, he brought his dog Lucy and asked us to do some filming for him. What a way to spend the early part of the pandemic, huh?
Leaving Key West and the southernmost point of the United States.
This is amazing. It's so clear.
It's really pretty, isn't it? What can you do? Whoa!
Don't die. Kind of like her a little bit.
Oh, good. That was nice.
Catch.
See how magic this is.
Catch. No.
Oh my gosh, so annoying.
I'm trying to give it to you. What am I doing?
Surrounding them. Just circled right around you.
They're brothers. There's so many. I can't see anything but fish.
Okay, yeah.
Bye, Little Thunder.
That's what No Worries had, the catamaran that we met down there.
Keenano is a little bit fancier than Litha. This is like Water World.
It's a mermaid. Whatever the ugly one.
Ocean gave you money?
Yeah.
You got a gold coin!
Emmy, did you see the trumpet fish?
She didn't seem to think that was nearly as cool as she was supposed to. You didn't tell me you were going to do it. I was going to film it.
Oh, sorry. I like polish that the money and everything. Got a gold
It's
coin.
a gold doubloon! She didn't care. She's like, I found money. How much bird poop is on this?
You don't want to come in, do you? Go on in.
wasn't here. Oh my gosh, my boat sank.
What is it?
Oh, my robot! I get to keep it!
And you lost yours, but this is the dual string. You'll have to do it on land.
Yes!
Okay?
Oh my god!
Grown-ups gift.
Tyler's robot.
Yes, the octopus kite!
Grown-ups.
Oh my gosh, you guys!
There's a no fee for
It's always so sad to leave the people we meet while cruising, but it was time to head up the coast with Panga.
Subscribe and check out our website.